Hi friends, so this is a IGCSE Math revision, geometry and measurements questions. We will see some questions on this topic, so let's do that. How can we solve the question? It's a spherical theorem and worksheets questions we are going to solve. And the topics are group A, it will be angle at C central and quadratic triangle. Cyclic quadrilateral. So center at angles at center. So the angle which is formed on this one and this one. So this is on center and this is on circumference. So on circumference this will be the half of this one. So this angle will be how much? It will be half of the 140. So that will be 70 degree. Okay. Here we will see this is on circumference and this is on center. So this angle theta will be just double of this one. Okay, so how much it will be? 2 into 65 degree. Okay, so it will be 130. And here it is a cyclic quadrilateral, so sum of the opposite angle will be 180 degree. So angle 1 plus C equal to 180 degree. So here it is a 91. So 91, suppose you subtract 90 and it's 89 when you subtract from 91, so it will be 89 degree. Okay, I hope that's clear. Now see the question number 4. How can you solve the question number 4? Again, this is the opposite angle. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. All the vertices are on the circumference, so this will be a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so how much this will be? It will be also subtract 180 minus 68. So it will be 112, something like that. Okay, so the angle will be 112. And this is the angle is on circumference, and this will be the same because this is a radius. So this triangle AOB, it will be a isosceles triangle. So this triangle will be this triangle and this triangle will be equal. So angle A is how much? It is a 38 degree, and 38 half of the 30. This is on center and this is on circumference. So angle theta will be half of 38. So it will be divided by 2. So the angle will be, this angle is 19 degree. And this angle you will find 152, and this is a radius and this is a radius, so this will be also theta. So theta plus 2 theta is 152, so theta equal to half because this is the exterior angle. So exterior angle is the sum of these two interior angles. So 2 theta equal to 152, so divide 2 7 ja. So theta will be 76 because 152 divided by 2, so that will be 76 degree. Okay, and this triangle, suppose this is a cyclic quadrilateral, so their sum will be 180 degree. So theta 110 plus theta will be 180 degree. So theta equal to 180 minus 110, so it will be 70 degree. So theta here it is a 70 degree. Okay, I hope you can understand. Now question number B part. Again here this is a cyclic quadrilateral, so theta plus 130 degree, it is 180 degree. So 180 and 80 minus 3, that will be 77 degree. So theta will be 77 here. And this is the angle on circumference, and so this angle will be just double of this one. So it will be 114. And when you this is 360, so when you subtract from 360 degree minus 114, how much it will be? This will be 4 and this will be 446. So this angle is how much? It will be 246 degree. And again this angle we can find is a cyclic quadrilateral, so sum of these two angles equal to theta here. Okay, sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So now theta equal to 180 degree minus sum of this one 90, and this when you subtract this one, this will be also on 90 degree. I hope this is clear. So let's do the remaining question in the second part. So if you like, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your study.